Build big or go home. LEGO Technic Liebherr crane that towers over the rest. Are you ready to conquer the ultimate building challenge? The LEGO Technic Liebherr Crawler Crane LR 13000 is not just a model, it's a sky-high adventure in engineering brilliance. Standing at an impressive 39 inches, or 100 centimeters, this colossal crane is one of the largest LEGO Technic sets ever. With 2,883 pieces, a Control Plus app, and motors for realistic movement, it's a masterpiece that blends fun with functionality. From tank steering to a rotating turntable, this crane captures every detail of the real deal, promising an immersive and satisfying building experience for construction enthusiasts. What makes the Liebherr Crawler Crane LR 13000 stand out? It's all about the details. This advanced kit boasts a luffing jib, winch, and load sensing system, bringing authentic crane functions to your fingertips. With the Control Plus app, you can steer, rotate, and operate the crane like a pro while tracking performance stats and tackling exciting challenges. This isn't just a display piece, it's an interactive marvel. Whether you're a fan of heavy machinery or LEGO's intricate designs, this set offers endless hours of entertainment and a striking centerpiece for your collection. Built to impress, this model is engineered for durability and precision. Its smart hubs and 6 powerful motors drive seamless articulation, while 24 weight elements ensure stability and balance. Crafted from LEGO's high-quality materials, the crane withstands the test of time, delivering both aesthetic and functional excellence. Compared to other building kits, the Liebherr crane is a monumental achievement, offering a challenge that's as rewarding as the result. It's not just a toy, it's a statement of your passion for engineering and design. Save time and money while diving into this extraordinary project. Why spend on overpriced collectibles when you can build a masterpiece yourself? With its step-by-step intuitive instructions in the LEGO Builder app, assembling this set is both manageable and enjoyable. Plus, the Control Plus app turns your creation into a fully functional machine, adding value that static models can't match. Whether for yourself or as a gift for a loved one, this kit guarantees an unforgettable experience and a product that's worth every penny. The LEGO Technic Liebherr Crawler Crane LR 13000 is more than a building kit, it's a journey into the world of innovation and creativity. Its size, functionality, and attention to detail set it leagues ahead of other sets, making it a must-have for serious builders. From its breathtaking height to its advanced features, every aspect of this crane is designed to captivate. Challenge yourself, savor the build, and showcase an engineering marvel that commands attention and admiration. This is your chance to think big, literally.